Hi there, students. Menial, an adjective, and menially, an adverb. Okay, if something is menial, it's regarded as the work of a servant, something appropriate for a servant, a job or a person who is of very low status. Yeah, work requiring little skill that is boring, especially domestic duties. Yeah, this is work befitting servants and not appropriate for the lord of the manor. It's work that lacks interest or dignity. So to do menial work, work that is boring, hard, tiring, and given a very low social value by people. The job consists of menial work, washing dishes, cleaning floors, and things like that. Okay, so particularly this phrase, a menial job. Yeah, a job needing very little skill or education. Yeah, and normally menial work is very badly paid. When people think they're important, they think many jobs are below them. They are menial jobs and not appropriate for them. The skilled labourer would refuse to consider doing agricultural work as he considered it to be menial, to be below his status, yeah, only suitable for a servant. Notice as a noun, a menial, a domestic servant or somebody who carries out lowly, humble, unskilled tasks. Yeah, so menial, low status, degrading. And then a menial, a servant, a lackey, a labourer, a serf, a dog's body, something like that. Yeah. Okay. So menial is saying that something is work that somebody who feels important would not stoop to doing. To stoop to doing something. Okay. This is far too menial for me. Yeah. Work performed by a servant or somebody of very low status, unskilled work. Okay, yeah, he worked menially for several years before actually being given a position of responsibility. What about formality? I think I would give this word a 5 in formality. I think you can use it just about anywhere. Yeah, it tends more towards the formal than the informal, but, well, maybe 5.25. Okay, as to origin, well, it comes from Anglo-Norman mensal, meaning a household, which in itself comes from Vulgar Latin mansionata, mansio, a house. Yeah, so that the housework. Okay, yeah, so he considers the job far too menial for him to do. This is way below his status. Yeah, menial task, menial work, menial jobs. Yeah, or the pay of a menial job as well. So there you go, menial. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Menial.